Installing the AC power cable. Check that both DC switches are off. Connect the ground cable to the PV side ground point. Crimp the OT terminal using hydraulic pliers. Loosen the 2 screws on the maintenance compartment door to open it. Prop it open with the support bar. Remove the cover and hang it on the hook of the door. Remove the AC filter and save the screws for later use. Remove the cable gland. Place the nut that was provided with the tube into the enclosure. Secure it and the tube fitting to the enclosure. Route the AC output power cable through both the tube conduit and fitting. Take the ends of all 4 wires of the AC power cable out of the enclosure. Prepare each with OT terminals. Connect the ground cable to the PE point. Install the AC output power cable. Connect the tube conduit and fittings. Check that the AC power cable is connected correctly and securely. Secure the tube conduit and fittings. Secure the AC filter using screws.